everyone, Sam from the Body Centre here, back again with another video. No, I haven't killed a mouse, and it's not a snowball. No, I've already done that, nice, cut that, do it again. Hello everyone, Sam from the Body Centre here, back again with my snowball, as you can see. As you can see behind me, we have a Range Rover Sport. It's in for a real cool job this week. It is not going to look like this for much longer. We're going to be going behind the scenes and showing you how we fit the RV2 Riviera styling body kit. We're going to be changing the front and rear bumper and a few accessories around the car to completely transform it and give it its new look. So let's get in behind the scenes, strip this car down, change it up. Let's go. You're going to have to excuse the mess, guys. I've gone into a little bit of a meltdown today and I've put bumper racks on the wall and everything. I'm filthy.
Not just today.
And yes, and Saturday.
Yeah.
We're now Monday.
Possibly the last couple of months.
We're going to do an unboxing of the body kit for the Range Rover. Has arrived. We are directly in the doorway. So it can't be too long, so everyone's going to be kicking off in a minute. Let's get it out. As you can see, guys, this is the front one. Always get a bit nervous about getting the aftermarket body kits in case they're wobbly or made out of some bad material, but this one,
oh, poor Luna.
This one's looking very good. As you can see, much beefier bumper. Got some cool side vents in here. Got some big grills going in there as well. They're like the slatted style. So we're now going to be getting this body kit into the prep shop. We always give the body kits like a good shape up first. Obviously, first we're going to be doing a dry fit, make sure it fits. Then we can then get it into the paint shop to then shape any edges that need shaping. I can already see like around the sensor holes, they need rounding off before paint application. Let's go. So guys, we are now in the strip and fit stage. You'd have to excuse my tone. I haven't got COVID. I have got a normal flu. That is still the same. It's still a thing. We are now in the strip and fit stage with Nelly. We've took the original bumpers off the car. We're going to be dry fitting this new body kit just to make sure it all fits, lines up, put all the grills into the bumper again so alignment is perfect. What we don't want to do is just rub the kit down, repaint it, come to fit, and then it's all over the place. So it's very important to do this stage first so we have no issues when we come to build up. We're going to be leaving some of the inserts or trims etc on the bumper in the matte black just to break it up, because obviously the car's the Santorini black. We'll then be doing the bumpers the Santorini black, plus it's got a load of gloss black trims already. It needs a bit of breaking up with some matte black in there on some trims in the bumper. While this vehicle is in, we are doing a repair to the driver's side front door, which Nelly's now stripping down. So I'll let Jake take you around the car now and show you the big bumpers. Let's go.